Ever wonder how cities of the future will be designed? What if I told you AI could help shape the neighborhoods, streets, and parks we'll live in? Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking idea. AI urban planners powered by generative AI, large language models, and agentic systems. Let's break down how this could revolutionize city design. Urban planning isn't just about maps. It's a complex dance of balancing traffic flow, green spaces, housing, and community needs while fighting climate change and inequality. But traditional methods rely on human experts and static tools that struggle to keep up with rapid urbanization. Enter AI, specifically generative AI, which can create countless design options, learn from data, and simulate future scenarios. So how does this work? Imagine training an AI to understand cities like a human planner. It's not just math, it's about context. Think of it as teaching a computer to see a city's geography, people's movements, social dynamics, and environmental needs. Models like GANs, generative adversarial networks, act like a painter and critic. One generates designs, the other judges if they're realistic. VAEs, variational autoencoders, compress complex city data into a map the AI can use to create new layouts. And transformers. They're like superpowered planners that piece together designs step by step, learning from past examples. But here's the catch. Current AI tools are still limited. They often ignore core urban concepts like equity, resilience, or community input. They're great at crunching numbers, but struggle with the human side of planning. Plus, most models are trained on specific cities, making it hard to apply their lessons elsewhere. The research proposes a new approach. Imagine an AI that doesn't just generate designs, but understands the rules of urban life. It would consider everything from zoning laws to social equity, adapting to different neighborhoods and even real-time challenges like floods or pandemics. Think of it as a digital twin of a city, constantly learning and evolving alongside its residents. One exciting example: a project using AI to redesign a flood-prone Gulf Coast area. By analyzing old land use patterns, the AI suggested layouts that reduce flood risks while keeping communities connected. It's not about replacing humans, but augmenting their expertise, letting planners focus on creativity and ethics, while AI handles the heavy lifting. So what's next? The future of urban planning might involve AI that's not just smart, but collaborative. Imagine a tool that translates your ideas into designs, or one that simulates how a new park could boost local happiness. The goal isn't to make cities perfect, it's to make them more adaptable, inclusive, and resilient. Let's break it down. Traditional urban planning often relies on static blueprints, but generative AI changes the game. By feeding it data like flood risk maps, infrastructure layouts, and zoning rules, the system doesn't just follow instructions, it imagines possibilities. It can rearrange neighborhoods to lift critical buildings out of danger, carve out green spaces to soak up rainwater, or redesign roads to keep emergency services moving. It's like having a supercharged design assistant that balances creativity with real-world constraints. But here's the kicker: this isn't just about technical fixes. The research highlights a bigger vision, planning that puts people first. Think of it as AI as a detective, uncovering hidden needs. By analyzing social media chatter, 311 complaints, or even satellite images of crumbling sidewalks, AI can spot where communities struggle. Is there a lack of parks? Too much traffic? Vulnerable housing? The system doesn't just generate plans, it listens to the data of everyday life. How does this work in practice? The research splits planning into two scales. Strategic planning is the big picture view, setting the city's long-term goals, like balancing housing and jobs across decades. Scenario planning, on the other hand, is hyperlocal, adapting a single neighborhood to handle a flood or extreme heat. AI excels here by simulating countless what-if scenarios, testing how different designs perform under real-world pressures. But AI isn't a solo act. The paper stresses the importance of human-machine collaboration. Imagine a planner saying, design a denser area that avoids flood zones and keeps parks intact. The AI doesn't just spit out a plan, it iterates, showing trade-offs and adjusting based on feedback. This is co-design, where human intuition and machine precision combine. And then there's the power of digital twins, virtual replicas of cities that simulate how plans play out. Instead of waiting years to see if a new transit system works, planners can test it in a digital lab. These twins measure everything from traffic flow to social equity, turning abstract goals into actionable insights. Finally, the research points to next-gen tools like vision language models, VLMs, and agentic AI. VLMs let planners describe ideas in plain language, a mixed-use layout near transit, and the AI translates that into precise designs. Agentic AI goes further, acting like a team of specialists that reason, plan, and adapt, much like a human urban designer. So what's the takeaway? Generative urban planning isn't just about smarter cities. It's about more inclusive, responsive, and resilient ones. By blending AI's computational power with human creativity, we're not just designing spaces, we're building futures. What do you think? Would you trust an AI to help design your city? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. And if you're curious about how AI is shaping other fields, hit that subscribe button, because the future is being built and it's powered by code.